Hello, my name is Matthias. In this video we will go through the key principles for installing vertical and horizontal Lunawood cladding. A proper air ventilation is the key. It is always recommended to leave at least 25 mm, 3/4 of an inch air cavity gap behind the cladding and maintain open air inlets and outlets at the bottom and the top of the facade. In horizontal cladding, it is always required to install vertical support battens in 600 mm, 24 inches spacing. Begin at the bottom to work upwards, always making sure that each board is level. In horizontal cladding, it is always required to install groove edge facing down. In vertical cladding, double order of support battens is always required to provide proper air ventilation and drainage behind the cladding. The first layer of support battens is installed vertically. The second layer is installed horizontally with 600 mm, 24 inches spacing to provide solid substructure for vertical cladding. Lunawood cladding boards do not require any expansion gaps in the tongue and groove or in the continuing points. The continuing points are recommended to be cut to 30-degree angle to blend nicely to the surface. To avoid uneven weathering and direct contact with the ground, 300 mm, 12 inches ground clearance is always recommended. For detailed installation instructions, download the official Lunawood installation guide in multiple languages at lunawood.com download center.